Hi, it's Victoria and welcome back to my channel. As you know, n8n has lots of integrations and that's wonderful. However, in order to fully benefit from them, we need to connect our accounts to the platform. And it might be a little complicated. So today I will show you one of the trickiest integrations in my opinion, so how to connect Google account to n8n. Okay, so we are in n8n already. As you know, n8n has nodes, so first we need to start with a trigger. So let's add it here. And today I will use on-chat message, but that won't matter much. Just we needed to add another node of Gmail. Can we send a message? Okay, and we'll create a new credential. You can click here. So before we put data here, we need to set up an account in our Google Cloud Console. And once you log in, you should be here and we have to start a project. So we will click my first project here. Okay, and let's create a new project here. So I will just put today's date here. And it's done. Okay, so let's choose this project. So we'll click here, this interface API and services. Okay, and let's go to the library. Okay, and let's find Gmail here. And we need to turn on Gmail API. Okay, so now our Gmail API should work. Now let's go here. We need to configure and in this place we need to put the name of our application, so n8n, and here we put our email, and here we choose external users, and then we put contact information. So again I would just choose another account of mine, accept, and okay, and this is also set. Now we click into brand elements. We have here some information that we put the previous time. So now we'll finally connect n8n to Gmail. So we need here the link to our application, and we'll copy that from here, HTTP. Okay, and we need to add the domain. So here we put the link with HTTP, and here in the place of the domain we put it without HTTP and we put it without slashes. So like that. So once it's done, everything is ready here. So now we move on. Okay, so now we go to APIs and services here. And once we are back, we need to click on our login data. Okay, so we need to click here, so create login data, and we'll choose this one, so identification of the client of OAuth. So we need to choose the type of application, and we'll choose internet application because n8n is one. Okay, so before we do anything more here, we need to go back to n8n and we need to copy that link that we have here. So it's copied, and we go back and we click add URI and put it here. And now we are able to create it. So we need to copy now client identification to n8n, and that is here, and our secret password. And now we click sign in with Google and we choose our account that we want to connect. So we got an error and our access is blocked, so let's see what's up, and we need to troubleshoot that. So let's go back to Google. Okay, and here we need to click Audience in our project. Here we have the section Test Users, and we need to click Add Users. I will add here the account that I want to connect to n8n. Maybe that was my mistake. Okay, and let's try once again. Let's sign in with Google. Choose the account. Here it says that the app wasn't verified by Google, but that's fine. We can click Next. And we have to agree on all of that. And let's go. Okay, so account is connected. The account is connected. As you see, there are lots of steps. You just have to figure out several things, but once you do that, yeah, it looks quite easy. So we have it connected, so now we can work on our n8n. We can not only do Gmail, but also Google Drive. We can add other Google applications like Google Ads, Google Chat, Google Docs, Books, Tasks, and etc. and etc. So there are plenty of options, and thanks to this connection we can use them all. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful, and now you will have no troubles with connecting n8n to Google. Thank you. Bye.